would like to show you how to easily make a math practice that will use an equation editor to help students become familiar with it in order to do better on their MCAS exams. So go into your Drive, and when you're in your Drive, type on the 3 lines next to the words My Drive, and go into Team Drives. In Team Drives, go on to the Wixon one, NHWIS, and you will see that Kelly Brown has provided a math folder. Tap on the math folder. On the math folder, I'm going to go to grade 4. I'm going to go to module 3, and I'm going to tap on the one that is a PDF. Okay, so this is the one I want. It's a problem set and it's a PDF. Okay, so this is the one I want. So I'm going to add this to my Drive. So I'm going to say make a copy. Okay, and I should see it showing up here, the copy, and then I'm going to click here and I'm going to move it to my Drive. And I'm going to my Drive, and I'm going to put it into my coaching, and I'm going to put it into my lessons, and I'm going to move it here. Okay, so I have a copy of that I moved into my Drive. Okay, move. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Google Classroom, and I'm going to put this particular one into Google Classroom for my students to use, along with a link to an equation editor. So watch. I'm going to tap on the home button, go to Google Classroom. I'm going to get out of, I'm in as a student right now. Okay. So I'm going to go to Coach Hill's class, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to put this assignment in along with the link to an equation editor, and then I'm going to show you how a student would do it. Okay? So I'm going to go to the bottom here to Coach, I think actually Coach Hill might have been the first one here. Yep. To Coach Hill. I'm going to create an assignment, hit the plus, hit assignment. I'm going to say math, practice. I am going to go into, I'm going to hit the attachment. I'm going to go into my Drive. I'm going to go into, I had it into coaching, and I put it into lessons. That's where I put it, so I'm going there to look. And it was the most recent one I just did, and I'm not seeing it there. Hold on. Could have sworn I just put it there. Let's go here. Let's go to my Drive. Should be in there. Lesson plans. Could have sworn I just put it in there. Didn't you just see me do that? Parts of a web page. It's a PDF. I'm looking for the PDFs. I'm not seeing it. Very frustrating. So let me go into the search bar. This is good that you can see this. Math, done. There it is, the PDF. No, that's an old one. Here it is, right here, the copy. So I'm tapping on that one, and that one's in there. Then the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a link. Okay, and the link. And the link is going to be, I'm going to go grab it. Go back to my Safari. It's this one here. So I'm going to go tap. I'm going to say copy. I'm going to tap. I'm going to go back to Classroom. I'm going to hit here and go paste. And I'm going to hit add. Okay. Now I'm going to make it so it just goes to one student, which is the Wixon one, because this is just a practice. So Wixon Coach. Done and done, and I'm going to send it. Okay, so I have just created this math practice. Now I'm going to go in as a student and show you how a student will do this. Okay, so a student's going to go into Coach Hill. I'm going to pull this down a little bit so it loads in. There it is. I'm going to go to math practice.